Hi everybody, this is another stretchy sound and it's the sound nk. 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 Well done. Let's have a little look at our picture cards. What you're going to find, this sound is similar to the special friend sound ng, and it comes at the end of the word. Okay, so listen out for it. This is an ice rink. Well done. Rink. No! What's he going to do? I think he's got a hole in his boat. He's going to sink. Oh dear. Oh, what's this boy doing? He's having a think. What's he thinking about? Ice cream. And this is a chain and it's made up of link. Well done. Yeah, these are links, each one of these. And they make the chain. Excellent. So, our sound nk is a special friend sound. And it's made up of a n and the kangaroo k. So I'm going to draw it on the board. So you ready to watch? We're going to say nk. Remember, special friends. Okay, now then, here it is, all ready to go into our pile. So let's have a look at it again. Nk. Nk. Stretch this. Nk. Nk. Well done. Let's hide it. Where's it gonna go? Come. It's there. Ready. Let's go. Ch. J. Y. A. S. E. Sh. L. Ng. I think I nearly got a mistake there. I was getting confused with our new sound. Did you get confused too? D. T. I. X. N. K. O. W. V. B. Qu. Nk. Excellent. I think you're doing better than me today. Well done. K. Z. O. G. P. And back to the beginning. Great. So, here's our picture card. Wow, what's this? It's like a rat in a cage. It's a bit dirty. Have a look. And do you know what he says? I think I stink. Oh, I think he needs to have a bath. I think I stink. And that's going to help us when we write our ng sound today. So we have the nk sound and I think I stink. I hope you don't stink. But look, I think you might need a bit of a wash. I think I stink. Or the nk sound. Okay? Let's see. Which one will it be? The sound or the picture? Nk. Excellent. Let's think I stink. What's going to be this time? I think I stink. Not me, him. Oh, dear me. Let's put him on there. So, we're going to practice air writing. So we need to do a Nobby's net and a kangaroo. Okay, and we're going to say, I think I stink. Are you ready? Let's go. Stretch up. I think I stink. Excellent. Get your pens ready. So remember our special friends, they need to be together. Always together. Okay? So let's go. Wonder what you have to say? I think I stink. Ready? I think I stink. Did you do that? Let's do it again. I think I stink. Oh, and we'll do one more. I think I stink. Oh dear me. That's a fun one to do, isn't it? Okay, well done everybody. I'm going to rub these out just so that we can do some speed writing of some other sounds. First one we're going to do is a B. Down the boot and round the toe. Remember? Down the boot, round the toe. Check yours looks just like mine. Now we're going to do D, because these are the ones we get mixed up. D, 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 dinosaur. Remember which way to go. Round the dinosaur, up his tall neck, down his feet. And another one we find tricky is E. Cut off the egg and scoop it out. So let's have a go at that one. Cut off the egg and scoop it out. There we go. Well done if yours look just like mine. If not, just keep practicing. That's fine. Now, it's time for Fred. I wonder if Fred stinks. Do you think he does? Shall I tell you? I'll have a smell. Hi, Fred. Fred, our new sound is nk. I think I stink. Do you stink? No. No, he doesn't. But do you have any sounds for us today? Yeah. Come on then. Tell me. Ooh. W-I-N-K. Wink. Can you wink? Well, like you're winking. Oh. Fred says this is his favourite colour. Are you ready? P-I-N-K. Pink. Well done. Come on, Fred, give us one more. Okay. F-I-N-K. Think. Oh, well done, everybody. Didn't they do well, Fred? Oh, excellent. See you next time. Bye.